Replacing doors in your home or business can greatly enhance both its aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Whether you are updating an exterior entry door or installing new interior doors, the process can be a rewarding investment. However, it's easy to make costly mistakes that could compromise the overall quality of the project. For residents of Clinton Township, where homes are diverse and communities value quality craftsmanship, understanding what to avoid when replacing doors is crucial. Here are some common door replacement mistakes to avoid in Clinton Township. Neglecting proper door measurements. One of the most common mistakes people make when replacing a door is failing to take accurate measurements. If your new door doesn't fit the existing frame properly, it can lead to gaps that allow air to leak in, reducing energy efficiency and causing discomfort. To avoid this, always measure the door frame precisely, considering height, width, and thickness. Additionally, remember to measure the door's swing direction and make sure the door opens smoothly within the designated space. Clinton Township homeowners who are replacing an exterior door should also consider local weather conditions. A properly fitting door helps with insulation, preventing cold drafts in the winter and keeping cool air inside during the hot summers. Choosing the wrong door material. Another mistake that can undermine your door replacement project is selecting the wrong material. Doors come in various materials, such as wood, steel, fiberglass, and glass, each offering different levels of durability, maintenance, and insulation. For example, wood doors are traditional and can provide natural beauty, but they may require more maintenance, especially in Clinton Township's humid summers. Steel doors offer enhanced security and durability, while fiberglass doors provide a balance between aesthetics and energy efficiency. When choosing the material, take into account the specific needs of your property and climate. Don't forget to consider factors such as style, durability, and security, which can vary depending on the material. Overlooking security features. When replacing entry doors, many people focus solely on style and neglect the importance of security. Security features should never be an afterthought, especially if you live in an area with higher traffic or a busy neighborhood. Consider the quality of the locks, hinges, and the door's overall strength. Clinton Township residents should also look for doors with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, or impact-resistant glass. Choosing a door without proper security features could compromise the safety of your home and loved ones. A little extra investment in a secure door can provide peace of mind for years to come. Ignoring energy efficiency. Replacing doors can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, but only if you choose an energy-efficient door. Many homeowners make the mistake of opting for aesthetic appeal over energy efficiency, which can lead to higher utility bills. In Clinton Township, where the weather fluctuates between hot summers and cold winters, a well-insulated door is essential for keeping your home comfortable year-round. Look for doors that have Energy Star certification, indicating that they meet or exceed energy efficiency standards. Insulated core doors and those with weather stripping or a tight seal around the frame are great choices to improve the overall energy performance of your home. DIY installation without expertise. While it may seem like a cost-saving option, attempting a DIY door installation can lead to poor results if you lack the proper skills and experience. Improper installation can cause issues such as drafts, poor door alignment, and even damage to the surrounding frame. Clinton Township homeowners often opt for professional door replacement services to ensure the job is done right the first time. Professionals not only bring expertise and experience to the table but also have access to the right tools and materials to ensure a secure and lasting installation. Investing in a professional installer will save you time, money, and potential frustration in the long run. Ignoring curb appeal and style. While functionality is important, don't forget the visual appeal of your door. A poorly chosen door can detract from the overall aesthetic of your home and decrease its curb appeal. Clinton Township, with its diverse architecture, offers a range of styles, so make sure the new door complements the design of your home. Whether you're upgrading to a modern, sleek design or opting for a more traditional look, choosing a door that enhances your home's exterior can increase its overall value. Take your time to explore different styles, finishes, and hardware options that will make a lasting impression. Conclusion: replacing a door is more than just swapping out an old one for a new model. It requires careful consideration of fit, material, style, and functionality. By avoiding these common mistakes, homeowners in Clinton Township can ensure a smooth door replacement process that enhances their home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're updating your home's exterior or installing new interior doors, making informed decisions will help you avoid unnecessary costs and ensure that your investment is well worth it.